So we spent a few days over in the Middle Tennessee area with the family, and we're getting loaded up right now. We're going to be heading out here in a couple hours. Got to stop along the way, kind of wash up the bikes and stuff, but we're going to make our way out to our hotel in Pigeon Forge and probably just hang out in that area for the day. We're going to hit the Tail of the Dragon on Tuesday, and then Wednesday, Thursday, make up our minds what we're going to do. We're planning on heading back on Friday just so we have time on the weekend to get caught up on things around the house since we kind of skipped out Friday. But like it was not last week but the week before, there was some kind of washout on 441, which is the way we normally go when we go from Gatlinburg to Cherokee. So now we'll have to go the kind of the longer way around. Ends up making like a 2-hour ride. But if we were to go around past Tail of the Dragon around, it'd be like just short of 3 hours. I don't think we want to do it that way, so we'll probably make Tail of the Dragon stuff, hang out there most of the day on Tuesday, and then Wednesday check out Cherokee and some of the other areas. At some point we'll also hit Gatlinburg just because we like the arcade and stuff there. We don't do anything too crazy, we're just kind of wandering around, hanging out, just having a relaxed trip instead of like, let's get as much done as possible. So
nice sand in the water.
made it to Pigeon Forge. We're taking that chill day that we were talking about, where tomorrow's supposed to be the day we go hit the Tail of the Dragon with the bikes, so that'll be the plan there. That's about like an hour and a half away from here. Should be okay. I probably haven't mentioned yet, but I have potentially broken my toe. I was river rock hopping in Fall Creek Falls, and my shoes were falling apart. I didn't realize it. So when I went to do one of my little powerful leaps, I straight rolled the sole right off of the shoe, and it kind of like rolled and twisted me. So I'm not sure exactly what happened with my foot, but like my toe is, it's an ugly toe to begin with, but it's very bruised now. That hurts. Like I'm kind of hobbling a little bit while I walk. Not sure if it's broken, but it could be. The bikes there. I love the bug eyes. I'll put a picture of it up here. Word of a warning for those: don't look for the next 30 seconds. It's not pretty, but it's not that bad. It could be worse, but I don't know if it's broken or not. It hurts to walk on it. I'll slap a picture up here. I landed kind of in a pile of rocks, and it like you can see in the picture, Lauren's twin called Lacey, she snapped a picture once I was on the ground, so I'm just kind of sitting there cross-armed looking at the bottom of my foot because the sole is just hanging on by a thread. So it's pretty ridiculous looking. Landed on my arm's a little tender, but that's not too bad. But yeah, the toe is definitely an issue. It shouldn't be an issue for riding the bike though, because it's just my brake foot, and I've been driving the truck no problem. So, but yeah, I brought the 360 camera, so not sure which bike we'll strap it on, if we'll strap it on, and I'm gonna try to get a mic up in there, namely in probably Ivan's helmet, just so we can get some of his commentary. He's hilarious when he's at the bike. We did this last year. It's his first time on Tail of the Dragon on the bike, and he did not so great on there. Like he did like okay to the resort, but once he got there, he was sick. So we got him some motion sickness stuff, and he was fine on the way back. Did great though. So we're going to go do that again. So yeah, I'll try to get the audio of him, and then just a couple clips here and there of him making commentary, because he said he's hilarious. He likes having Lauren and him sing together. It's pretty funny. So let's go ahead and flash forward to tomorrow. Alright, you ready, buddy?
Yeah.
What was it?
I don't think I can hear him. Beast. I just wanted to say hi. I'm just gonna wave.
Heavy.
Daddy? Daddy? I love you. Daddy? It says something. Daddy? Excuse me? Daddy?
Yeah.
My helmet turned off. Love you, Mommy. Yeah. Huh? I was gonna say I love you. Yeah. Ready, set, go. I can. Yeah. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up, 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 where so high. What a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. Good. It says, Daddy, I don't remember what the dragon looks like. Okay. Yep.
He was like ready to peel off again.
Mommy,
Hi, baby.
did you know that we used from there to come here? That that part.
All over the place. She's all over the place. What's the video for?
For YouTube.
Oh.
All right, buddy. What'd you think of that ride? You don't know? How's your butt feel?
Bad.
Your butt hurts? Yep.
Hey, kids.
You want something? Thank you.
I got mine in the eye.
Here, we need to get out of the way.
So obviously we hit Gatlinburg and did a bunch of stuff there, and then kind of hopped all over the place from Pigeon Forge and Gatlinburg today. Tomorrow we're supposed to be heading out. Lauren has requested that we go hit Tail of the Dragon again, so we're going to drive down to the Tail of the Dragon tomorrow morning, pull the bikes off, go for a rip up and down, and then probably start heading home. So maybe I'll try to get another video on that one. Not really sure how the videos overall. I mean, the videos came out pretty good with the 360 camera, but a little bit of wiggle just because of where it was at on her brake reservoir. So Ivan's audio came out okay. I just got to do all the sync up and everything. There's a lot of editing revolving around that. So 50-50 whether or not I hit up do another video with one of us on the Dragon. We're back. So we got back about 9:30, something like that last night. Didn't get any video on the Dragon on our last thing there. I got a couple little clips of just reporting, you know, the resort and then up at the overlook. We hit 28 first and got stuck behind a semi. Then we shot straight back up 28 and went right up the Dragon and got stuck in a line of traffic where a minivan was doing like under 20 the entire way up to the overlooks, and I think we hit it about mile marker 3, so essentially 6 miles at under 20 miles an hour. It was just miserable. Little boy back there got real hot, got agitated, and ended up getting sick from the heat. Return ride was much better, and then, you know, basically get back to the resort, loaded up the bikes, and headed on out. glad we went and hit it one more time. Just, we were already in the area. It didn't really add any kind of real time to our trip. Plus, we love all the roads in the area up there. But that's our trip